Today we came to check out the Louise Hays Park and Fountain Plaza in Kerrville. It's actually really cool and has a ton of activities for people of all ages, so I think it's a really neat place to see, even if it's like an hour drive from wherever you're at. It's just a cool place for people to come hang out. Thank you. Yellow, my favorite.
This one's cool.
Those are kayaks. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, do you want to go on with
Thanks for watching. I'm Tanya with the Sunshine Real Estate team, and if you want to be part of this tribe, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Check us out at the next park we hit up.